In this video, guys, I'm going to share with you new Fiverr affiliate service that you can promote on Pinterest to earn commission on your Fiverr affiliate account. This will be specific service and new service that people are searching for on Pinterest. So let's get started. So as you can see, I made $245 just by promoting Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. And you cannot promote any services. You need to choose specific services that people are searching for on Pinterest. And in today's video, I will share with you one of my services that I was promoting on Pinterest. So you just need to copy my method, use it, and promote your affiliate links on Pinterest to earn commission. Okay, let's get started. So for people who are new to Fiverr affiliate and they want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first is you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. Okay, so just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, so you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, like this, and you will be directly in this page. As you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here, scroll down, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can use your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. As you can see, it's really easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, and now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest. So click on the search over here, search for Etsy digital products. Okay, search for Etsy digital product. Okay, search for Etsy digital product, then scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who have good reviews and they are level 1, level 2 or top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so why we choose Etsy digital product service? Because people who are using Pinterest, there are a lot of people who have Etsy shop. Okay, they have Etsy shop and they are interested to get this service and to get digital products. Okay, so those people, those services are really profitable. Okay, so you should start trying promoting those services. So let me show you. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is level 1 seller. I will do Etsy digital products for Etsy shop digital products with Etsy SEO. Okay, so click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. Okay, as you can see. So what you need to do now is you need to copy his profile link. Okay, copy his profile link, then go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. Okay, like this, then click over here. Okay, like this, and put this Fiverr seller link here, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. It's easy and simple. So what you will do now is you will copy this link from here, and you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let me show you how you can do it. Let's go to Pinterest. This is my account. So you should open business account on Pinterest. If you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by user email address. The sign up process to Pinterest is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and like I said, choose business account, not personal account. You need to choose business account. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, click on, you see over here create, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down. Okay, you can see over here about this gig, click on his picture like this, and you need to upload this picture to your laptop. So I'm gonna double click on the picture, save image. Okay, and you're gonna name it, for example, digital products, for example, digital products, save, and go back to Pinterest, click over here on this icon and upload your picture. Okay, I'm gonna upload, this is my picture about my affiliate service like this. Okay, so scroll down, you need to put title here, description, and your affiliate link. So I will put my affiliate link here like this, title and description. What you will do, you will go back to this seller page and you need to copy his title. You are just an affiliate, so you can use his information. Okay, let's go back to Pinterest. Let's put this title over here, description. I will go back to his profile page. I will click over here and this is his description. Okay, so you can copy his description. Let's copy, I'm gonna just copy this part to show you. Go back to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, click over here on create a board. Okay, like this. And if you are new, you can click on create a board, give it, you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And I already have those, so I'm gonna choose, for example, this one, Fiverr affiliate. Scroll down and you need to put here tag. Okay, so how we can find tag? Go back to this seller page, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, scroll down, scroll down. You can see over here related tags. Okay, so you need to copy those tags. So copy those like this, go back to Pinterest, put those tags here, and you need to keep putting more tags here. Okay, so you can rank your Pinterest pin in the search, in the first page of the search. Okay, so if people are searching for digital products, how to create digital products for Etsy on Pinterest, they will find your service on the first page. Okay, if they buy this service, you will get commission. So what you need to do now, as you can see, you just need to click on publish, and you need just to wait a few seconds and your affiliate link will be published. Here you go, and here you go. As you can see, this is my picture, my affiliate link, title, description, and that's it. That's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest for free, of course. So you just need to keep promoting more affiliate links, so your chance to get commission will be high. You cannot promote just one service, you need to promote a lot of services that are related to Pinterest on Pinterest. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.